So week 5, order of operations. We'll be looking at different order of operations. This mainly means the order in which we add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Let's take a look. So, order of operations. Sometimes people use the word PEMDAS, meaning P for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. This is the order in which you perform different operations. So first you must do everything in parentheses first, then everything in exponents, then multiply and divide, and then add and subtract. Just so you know that multiplication and division are at the same level, so it doesn't necessarily matter which one you do first. Same with addition and subtraction. However, just note that most people go from left to right if they're the same order. So if you see a multiplication problem and a division problem, just solve it going from left to right. Let's try it. If you look here, it's 3 plus 5 times 2. Should we add first or should we multiply first? So PEMDAS. Multiply comes before adding. So we should multiply 5 times 2, which is 10, before we add 3. Now that we multiplied to get 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. That will be our final answer. However, if we did adding first, 3 plus 5, that will be 8. And 8 times 2 will be 16. That will be the wrong answer. So make sure you multiply before you add. Let's try another problem. Here we have parentheses. We have multiply, subtract, and adding. What do we always do first? P. P stands for parentheses. So everything in the parentheses we must do first. So 4 minus 2 will be 2. Now we have 3 times 2 and add 5. Do we multiply first or do we add first? Once again, PEMDAS. Multiply comes before adding. So we multiply the 3 times 2 before we add the 5. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 5. Ooh, I didn't write the answer. Do you know the answer? 6 plus 5 should be 11. Let's try another problem. So if you see here, there's a subtract and add. Subtracting and adding, remember they are at the same level. So it really doesn't matter which one you do first. If we do 7 minus 3, we'll get 4. 4 plus 5, we get 9. What if we did negative 3 plus 5? Negative 3 plus 5 will be positive 2. 7 plus 2 is also 9. It doesn't matter which one you do first if they are at the same level, meaning adding and subtracting or multiplying and dividing. However, most people just like going from left to right. So you should do that too if you're unsure what to do.